Transformation is a buzzword that has been going on around for quite a while now, and every organization and as well as every individual is talking about transforming themselves. Let's first try to understand why everybody is talking about transformation. Why transform? So, in this channel, we will be talking about various aspects of transformation and specifically be focusing on agile and DevOps transformation. So, if you like the channel and what is being discussed, if you are keen to contribute, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss the future videos that are coming through. I am Nivarthi Jairam. I am an ICF accredited coach and have been involved with enterprise transformation for more than 1.5 decades now. So, the question we like to start off with is why transform? What is the need for us to transform, whether as individuals or as organizations? We are living in a world that we call as VUCA, that is driven by volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. If you dig deeper into it, what is volatility? Volatility is the rate of change. The rate of change that whether it is about the technological changes or the environmental changes, the rate of change is too fast and too dynamic, and it's imperative that we have to consistently and consecutively keep reinventing our approaches and our way of life to be able to adjust and manage, to align to this rate of change. So that is something which is driving the need for us to be in the transformation uh, journey forever. And the next aspect of the world which we are living in is uncertainty. Now, what is uncertainty? The lack of clarity about the current environment where we are operating in. That means we are not clear many times what is going to hit us. The circumstances within which we are operating is pretty dynamic and fast changing, and that creates uncertainty about our present as well as the future. So we have to be very dynamic and be flexible in order to be able to manage the uncertainty around us. The next element is complexity. Complexity again arises from the earlier two elements, the uncertainty as well as the volatility around us, which means more often than not we are at crossroads and we have to make decisions that can be impacting or profiting for us. So how do you make those decisions? The multiple elements that could impact those decisions. If you are someone who is looking for complete clarity and complete certainty to make a decision, then probably you are going to be left behind. So you have to make decisions that are viable, that are best placed with your current understanding. The days of requiring complete certainty and complete clarity for making decisions is gone, and may not or will not ever come back. So complexity is something again which we have to live with and make decisions based on the current visibility you have, and be again flexible to adapt and change your decisions, not repenting if something goes wrong, because it is bound to go wrong based on the situations and the pace of change that is happening around us. The last but not the least is the ambiguity. So lack of clarity about an event. If you take even the current state of pandemic COVID, there is absolutely, even after 9 to 10 months, almost an year, we still are not clear what caused this pandemic, and also not clear when we would have a proper cure for this pandemic. And that means what you can do is control the controllables, which means whatever you can control within the boundaries of your control is something you should look for. In the current state, what are we doing? How are we trying to be still normal? Is trying to protect ourselves, trying to control what we can control, what is visible to us that we can control. So ambiguity again, lack of clarity about events happening around us, and all these four elements, the VUCA will and is impacting our lives, and that drives the need for transformation. One more thing, transformation has no end. That means if you are someone who is looking to thrive, not just survive in this VUCA world that we talk about, then you are an consistent and ongoing journey. It is ever evolving. The more you understand about yourself, the more you know about yourself, the bigger beliefs, the stronger limitations you will come across as individual. As an organization, the more you understand your culture, the more deeper you get into the nitty gritties of the organization culture and the people that are working for the organization, the more stronger obstacles you will get into, and then you have to work that much more harder to overcome them. And these elements are bound to create that state of uncertainty, the state of continuous monitoring that we need and for us to be transforming forever. So if you have embarked on your journey of transformation as individuals or as an organization, please be sure that you only stop transforming when you are dead. So if you like to watch more videos, please do again hit the subscribe button on this channel, and also hit the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching.